In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add text to your video in Shotcut. So I have here 2 clips in my Shotcut video editor, but I'd like to add the word meditation to this first clip that you can see here. So I have 2 clips, this and this. So I only want to add to this. So to do so, first select the clip that you want, then go ahead and tap on this filter option, and then tap on this plus here to add a filter. Alternatively, instead of going to filters here, you have filters option here. If you also tap here, it will take you to filters as well. So from here, tap on this plus icon to add a filter. Now we are interested in text or adding text. So just go ahead and tap here text. And as you can see, we have 2 formats of text: the text rich and the simple text. So to make just a simple text, just go ahead and tap on text simple. So if we tap on text simple, you can see we have some writings here. So to edit this text, go and identify text box, which is here. Put your cursor at the end of it, then backspace to delete, and now write what you want. So I want to write meditation. So I'll write in capital letter meditation. Great. So if you look here, you can see the word meditation has correctly been written. However, it is too big. So to resize your text size, it is pretty simple. You can see at the edges we have an option to drag or to resize this text box. So if you drag from here or from here, or even from up to down or vice versa, you'll be able to resize this text. So I can resize it like this. At the center here, you can see this dot. If you hover over it, you can now see that icon, and now you can resize it, or you can move it to wherever you want. So if you want to move it up or down, go ahead and do it. For instance, maybe you want to change the color from white, say, to yellow. For that, just use the font here, and this will open the color dialog, from which you can go ahead and choose your favorite color. So if I go ahead and choose yellow, you can see yellow is here. I'll go ahead and tap on it, and I can choose the variation. If I want to increase the hue, the saturation, you can do it all here. You can also go ahead and enter the hex code for the color, and it will be applied immediately. You can also choose the variation of the color by just tapping or using this bar here, and it will show you the intensity of the color that you have just chosen. So if you want it more lighter, you can leave it at that, and then just go ahead and tap OK, and immediately I tapped on OK, the color changed. So once you're done, just leave it at that. Don't worry of these edges you are seeing here, they'll not be applied to your final product. So if I go ahead and play it, you can see that was only applied to that one clip that I just chose. And here we go. If you go to the second clip, the writings, the text is not there. Now suppose you want to just add a text to a very small section of your clip, or to a specific section of your clip. Go ahead and select that specific section. For instance, I want to add text between here and here. I'll only select this clip, then go ahead and add my text. Just type in text, and I have here, I'll choose text simple. I like simple because it keeps everything pretty simple, and you can make all the controls from here. And then go ahead and again edit this and write anything you want. So I can go ahead also and resize this, and then move it to any place that I want. If I want it here, I can leave it at that. Now finally, let me show you how you can use the rich text option. Now, in as much as simple text keeps everything simple, you can go ahead and use it. You can also apply text using the rich text style. Now the rich text style gives you more control. For instance, let's go ahead and add a rich text here. If we go ahead and tap on this plus and type here text, now instead of simple, choose rich. You can see now the rich text will have more control within the box. So for us to write here, you can see now the text box is not here. We are told to click in the rectangle at top of the video to edit the text. So we can go ahead and start writing it just by clicking inside here. And then now we can now write anything. So I'll write meditation again. So you can't see the text because of the color. It is here, but the font makes it not visible. So we can go ahead and change this by selecting it. If I select on it, you can now see the text, and we can now have control here to choose the text color in within here. And this time around I can choose red and choose the variation of red I want, and once done I'll tap on OK. And now look at that. We can also go ahead and make it bold from here. So this gives you more control. If you want to bolden it, you can do it here. It is now more bold. If you want to enlarge it, you can increase the font size. You can just use this text size to increase the size of the text using this option. And then if you also want to move it anywhere in your video, you can just drag this at this center and then move it. Should you also want to resize this, you can resize it, but it will not affect the size of the text. However, if you want to resize the text size, you can go ahead and reduce the text size by increasing or reducing it. And that is it. So you can go ahead and play around with these options to edit your text or to make your text as you wish. If you want to underline, we have the underline option here, and if you tap on it, it will go ahead and underline. To undo it, you can still tap on it and the underline will be gone. So that's how you add text in Shotcut. If this video was helpful to you, kindly hit the like button and subscribe to this channel to support me. Thank you for watching, and let's meet in the next video.